Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in yellow. I look like a little sun because it's cloudy out and I just felt like wearing yellow. I'm kidding. I'm wearing yellow bright clothing because I did more of a bare makeup and I wanted to show you guys how beautiful you can look, how natural you can look with bare makeup, with less things on, without contour, without any shadows, and how amazing it's gonna look for basically any occasion, to work, to parties, anywhere. So you can just play more with your clothing, with your accessories, and you're gonna look stunning. So today's makeup is beautiful, more bare, more natural, and I'm excited because I'm using some new products as well. I'm testing out a new foundation from Dior that I received. I'm using new products from Charlotte Tilbury, like a new highlighter. So you will see new products in this video. In this makeup, you guys, I just wanna wear it every single day because it's so beautiful. I did not contour my face, just highlighter, blush, and on the lips, lip liner, balm, nothing, no shadows on the eyes. It's more about brows, lashes, and beautiful skin. So I really hope you enjoy it. I hope that you can recreate with me. And again, you can wear this makeup to so many occasions: work, parties, the movies, going out during the day or night. So really hope you enjoy it. And let me stop talking and let's get started. Bye. All right, so we are gonna start with a beauty water. This is called Avis, to freshen up the skin and the pores. And then lip balm. This is like a lip mask that will keep my lips hydrated. All right, so first things first, I'm going to use the Beauty Flash Wonder Glow just to give me a little glow on the skin. This is from Charlotte Tilbury. I'm gonna blend it in with the dual fiber. This is great when you have tired skin. And I'm gonna use the Forever Undercover 24-hour full coverage foundation from Dior. It's a full coverage foundation. They sent it to me recently. I've used it a few times, but I haven't showed it on video. So I will be kind of like reviewing it too for you guys today. Love the packaging because you can just squeeze it in like this. You guys know I love the original Forever foundation from Dior. It's so good. But this one is a 24-hour wear full coverage, which is amazing. It's that foundation that you want to use when you go to parties, weddings, and like places that you want your makeup to stay all day, even like work. So I'm just gonna blend it with my Sigma brush. More dabbing it on than brushing it. And you guys, this has amazing coverage. It will make your skin, you know, flawless, but still keeping it natural, which is amazing. I love the fact that the Dior products have such great smell. By the way, this is not paid, you guys. I received a lot of requests when I showed it. When I was in New York, I received a box filled with new products and the foundation was the highlight of it. So you guys asked me to review it, so here I am. And look at this coverage. It's like so beautiful. I always apply a little more just on this area here because it's when I kiss people and it comes off first. I mean, hug and kiss. I'm using it on my lids as well. It's gonna be very bare, so we won't put a lot on the lids either. Look at this. Woo! Love, 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 love. So I'm gonna let this foundation set for a little bit and we're gonna do the brows. And this makeup is gonna be all about brows, highlighted skin, and lips, okay? Very bare and beautiful. Bare and beautiful. So I'm gonna do my brows with my brow bar from Gerard Cosmetics. And with a little brush like this, do the brows. And the trend right now for brows, the thicker, the better. So once you correct your brows, you can even make it a little thicker than it is if you want. I think it's so beautiful, especially when like you're not wearing any shadows and stuff. My brows are already like thick naturally, so I just basically fill it in where I need to. So the trick to brows is always start filling it in on the bottom, on the lower brow, and then the rest that's in the brush, you kind of color it on top if you need to. Just make sure you still keep it natural. And that's it. Oh, by the way, my Dior foundation is color number 31, which has more of a yellow undertone. Now I'm gonna move on to concealer. I'm gonna conceal all this area right here, so that it highlights my skin and also gets rid of. With a synthetic brush, I'm just gonna blend. So here we have like perfect coverage, perfect skin. I am not gonna use powder on the skin because the foundation is like more matte finish. It gives you that highlight, which I love, but then it doesn't make your skin oily or super dry. So it's perfect, no need for powder. And it's one last thing you need to use, right? Amazing. So now I am going to start highlighting my skin. And today I'm also gonna try a new product. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Easy Highlighter. It's a Beauty Light Wand. Let's try it. Wow, this is amazing. Highlight the nose and also here on top of the brow. Ooh, FedEx is here. I'm gonna apply on top of my lips, a little bit here. I love this applicator. And also here. Ooh. And I'm actually gonna blend that with the brush. Okay, on my lids, I just wanna make it dry. So I'm gonna use some powder. This is my Givenchy powder. And just dry this lid up. But I still wanted to have this like concealer color, which is the same color as my face. Now I'm gonna use a little bit of contour, but then I'm gonna use a contour that has a little bit of shimmer, just so that it doesn't contour too much, so that it gives our face a nice like shape, but still with a glow. So I'm gonna use the contour kit from Charlotte Tilbury as well, because it has some shimmer. First time I'm using this, so I hope it works. So I'm gonna get the contour color. Apply it right here on my chin, which is where I like to highlight more. I mean, contour more. Now I'm gonna go to blush, and I'm going to use actually highlighter as a blush first and then a little bit of color, so that's gonna give us like super glowy cheeks. What I'm gonna do is with the same brush, I'm gonna get this color right here. This is the Laura Mercier highlighting palette, which is amazing. And I'm gonna get the peachy highlighter. I'm just gonna dab this on my cheeks. And now I'm gonna get my Nightlife Hotspot blush from Sigma. I think it's still there. I think you guys can still get this. I'm just gonna apply on top here. Super gentle, just for a hint of color. And last touch is going to be the Dior highlighter, just here on top of the cream highlighter. Now we're pretty much finished with the skin, and we are going to do the eyes. The eyes are gonna be like super simple. I'm basically just gonna apply a nude eyeliner on my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. And I'm gonna take the Dior Show Pump and Volume mascara from Dior. You just pump it before you take out the brush. It's amazing. It's the type of brush that I love. And then we're gonna pump those lashes, make it look amazing. So lashes look amazing. And that's basically it. Now it's just lips. I'm gonna take this balm. I'm not contouring nose today, okay? Maybe I should, but I'm not. I want it very bare. Okay, now for lips, I'm doing lip liner just to like shape my lips, and then we're gonna use balm on top of it. So I'm using Laura Mercier Natural Lips, which is very natural. This will be basically just a bit darker than your lip color. You can color it in. And then I'm gonna use a lip balm on top. This is actually color number 10 from the Dior Addict Lip Glow collection, which I'm so excited about. Dior launched, well, I'm addicted to number 1, which was the only color they had before. And now they launched a bunch of colors. So you have purplish, like lilac, you have raspberry color, red. I love these balms because you can keep it in your bag and it gives you like a tint of color. So they are amazing. I'm addicted, you guys know. And I'm so excited they launched a bunch of colors. And today I'm gonna be using number 10, which is called Hollow Pink. And it has a little bit of shimmer, this one. Not all of them do though. Just hydrate those lips. I love this, you guys. And you can even take this balm a little and put it on your lids to give you like wettish lids. It's super pretty too, and they use it a lot on shows, on models. I love. So this is my finished look. You can put like, so everything is super bare. You can play with accessories or with your colored clothes, but this is the type of makeup that you're gonna look beautiful, natural, but like perfect. This is the type of makeup that you have that will give you like perfect skin but still like bare looking, natural, beautiful. It would just make your lip and this eye area stand out because you have your brows and your lashes, but still very natural, and a little bit of highlight and color on your cheeks. So I love this, you guys, and I really hope you do too. I hope you can recreate it with me. You can go to work with this makeup, you can go anywhere with this makeup pretty much. And you can do the same thing and just change your lip color. A bold lip will look really good here too. But I just decided to go super bare for this tutorial because I've never really done like bare makeup look, okay? All right, so you can change your clothes, look super bright with this neutral makeup, and it's gonna look beautiful. So yeah, I really hope you guys like this tutorial. Look how beautiful it looks with bright clothing. I hope that you can recreate this with me. You can wear basically anywhere and look beautiful. I didn't even contour my face, which is awesome. So yeah, you guys, sometimes less is more. We have a lot on, but it looks less. All right, so if you like the video, please rate it positively. Leave me comments down below on more video suggestions, and I will see you guys next time. Have a wonderful week filled with amazing energy, good people, and a positive mind, okay? So I'll see you guys next week. Stay beautiful.